Flowers. Chamomile. Snowdrops. Poppy. Lily of the valley. Rose. Violets. Tulip. Dandelion. Carnation. Cornflower. Gladiolas. Forget-me-not. Water lily. Bellflower. Sunflower. Press the button for a test. Where is the chamomile? Well done. Chamomile. Where is the rose? Excellent. Rose. Where is the forget-me-not? Perfect. Forget-me-not. Where is the tulip? Brilliant. Tulip. Where is the violet? Excellent. Violets. Where is the dandelion? Perfect. Dandelion. Where is the cornflower? Keep it up. Cornflower. Where is the sunflower? Perfect. Sunflower. Where is the lily of the valley? Brilliant. Lily of the valley. Where is the water lily? Well done. Water lily. Where is the gladiolus? Exactly. Gladiolas. Where is the carnation? Perfect. Carnation.